Hello everyone, we're back again. So today I'm going to go through, we got some 10p bags here. Now, we're not necessarily looking for any specials, any A to Zs or anything like that. Anything like that will be a bonus. Today what we're doing is we're making our run-of-the-mill 10p sets, so one from every year, 10p. Let's without any ado get started, and I'll show you how I do this and how I start it all off and how I get it all going. Right, so let's get rid of that. Right, so this is a little bit tedious, so I will give it that, but it is well worth it once it's done. So first thing, we get a couple of coins that we're not going to use, like that. Right, now we pretend these are all going to be face up, tails up. So we're going to pretend that one there is 2020. We're going to pretend that one there is 2019. We're going to pretend that one there is 2018. And this is all because, as far as I'm aware, these ones haven't been released yet. So I think I have seen a 2020 in a little special release set, and I have seen one in the 20p's, but I haven't seen the 2020 10p yet. So I'm not too sure whether that's going to be circulated or what, but we will find that out. So let's crack on with this one now. So we've got 2020, 2019, 2018, 2017, and then our first, what we've actually got. So blue tack. I should have some gloves. Bear with me, I'm just gonna go grab some gloves. Got my gloves. Right. So as you can see, those are all gone now, so we've got our first one set up. So from here, we can now start going through, making the dates. So obviously, you are gonna have to manually check each and every obviously 10p, which is a little bit obviously tedious and long, whereas normally, you know, you could just whiz through and go ding ding ding, you know, rubbish, A to Z, Gibraltar 10p, whatever you need. Whereas these ones, obviously, you've got to go a little bit slower. Now, one thing to always remember is there's two different coins from 2015 and the same for 2008. There's two different coins. So here we go. I've actually got my... There we go. So you see there, we got the first 2015 coin there with the date just above the Queen's left of the head, so just above the crown, the centre of the crown. If you check this one out, again, also 2015. There we go. But as you see, it's got the 2015 date along the right-hand side of the Queen's neck. So obviously there the bottom and there the top. So those are the two different 2015 and 2008s. Always remember to encounter for two of those when you're going through your sets. Luckily, as I say, I've managed to just find both quite quickly, so that has saved me out. But obviously, say you start going, you know, 2014, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, all the way through, you set up your thing, and then you realise you've missed that 2015. It's going to be a long time to move and shift everything along. So just make sure you add some space in on that one. So what we got at the moment, we've got, it's going to be a nightmare to get this to constantly keep focusing in. So we've got 16, 15, 15, and I think there was a 14, just pick the hand. There we go, there's the 14. So, and I'm actually, it might be worth, just as an idea, getting some of these blue tap balls and getting them ready to rock and roll, so you don't have to do that when you're in the middle of, Now as I say, the more bags of change you can get to start off with, the better. Just be aware that most personal business accounts, let's try that again. Most personal accounts will only let you withdraw, well, for the bank that I use, NatWest, they only let me withdraw the other day 5 bags of the one change, and it does say, they say a maximum of 5 bags a day. But I'm sure you know you can work your way around it. You can ask them nicely, and they'll be able to do it more. And they're actually the 10p's are actually coming out quite quickly now. We've got 16, 15, 15, 14, 13. Actually coming up quite quickly now, which is always a good sign. But then this is the one downside of things. I don't actually have my money bag here, so what I'm gonna have to do is just start this. 14, 14, we've got both of those. 16, we've got that. 14, we've got 14. I've got 16, 15, 15, 14, 13. Now I've got no 12, so what I'm going to do is just put one there for now, and then move up, and that would be 2011. Now I do have 2011 here, so what I will do is I shall like that, and then you simply slot that out the way. The next one I had was a bit of a distance away, so we'll just put those to one side. Oh, look at that! 2010 and 2009 drop out pretty much in order for me. Look at that. That's gorgeous. That's gorgeous. That's what I like. And as you can see, these coins are already starting to leave marks on the paper. Just sort of shows you how dirty these coins are. Not really coming up amazingly there, but compared to say some of the whiteness down here that I haven't touched, compared to obviously up there from where all the marks of the coins do get very, very, very dirty in circulation. And as I say, this is quite tedious. But once you've done it, you don't need to ever do it again, because you've done it. God, look at that one. God, look at that. Think that's going to get rejected when I take that one back in. And there is obviously a lot of specific yeared manufactured, so I've got 3 1992s in my hand at the moment, 4 1992s out of 5, 5 1992s, 6 1992s out of 5 there. So that's obviously something to watch out for. You will find that you will start to struggle on 1 or 2 specific coins. I found so far for the 10p's 1995s my downfall a little bit. (2007, 2006, 205, 204, 203, 202, and 201. There. And I'll show you what we've got then. Let's bring it over. So obviously 16, 15, 15 on the other side, 14, 13, then what would be 12, 11, you can see that, yep, 10, 9, 8, obviously another 8, 7, 6, what would be 5, what would be 4, what would be 3, 2, and 1. Obviously 2000, 1999, 1998, 1997, 1996. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to pause here, and we're going to come back to it in about 10-15 minutes when I've updated everything. We've got some more on the page and more in circulation. 30th of September 1992, after a review of the United Kingdom coinage in 1987, the government announced its intention to issue a smaller 10p coin. The smaller coin was issued on the 30th of September 1992, and as of the 31st of December 2005, there were estimated at 1.587 million 10p coins in circulation. So, for these smaller 10p sets, what they're saying is that it starts in 1992. Anything pre-1992 be the bigger 10p. I have actually got one of those, but I don't think I'm going to bother, because these are only in my lifetime. I was born 1995, so there are no released coins from 1993 or 1994. Four coins. So the finished bit, finished 2017, or nearly finished, sure, not quite. 2017, 2016, 2015, obviously 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, the other 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 2000. Uncirculated, 97, 96, 95, uncirculated, 92, and then you drift back into the old ones. Now, I might put a slight part 2 to this. It will be a sped up and music only video of just me transferring this all into a frame, so you can see how I do that side of things. So from obviously in bags from the bank to what you see at the end of the videos. Everyone, it's been a long one, but enjoy and happy hunting.